Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to create Lead's new task. From Lead page, click on Lead name. Scroll down Lead detail page. Click on New Task button. In Create Task pop-up box, fill the detail about task like task subject, due date, priority and task owner. Check the Mark to Do option. Then, click on Send button. The task is created successfully. We can see the created new task information under Activities section. Now click on To Do button from top bar. We can see the new task information under Pending To Do tab. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.